Check out this. Oh yeah, that's real nice. A diamond. Slow speed. Diamond wheel. 200 grit. Ooh, it's nice. Lasts like 20 years. Hollow. Pretty cool. And I got a leather herning. It's a 12 Max T4, baby. And my bandsaw, and my CNC machine that I made, and my 3D printer, and my awesome workbench. Ignore that. And then we got, let's see. I made this. This is my table saw, which also has my router table and my lathe stuff, because I have like 6 lathes. Ooh, look at that. Not only that, but we also got this one for polishing. That's for polishing. And then this. That one of these. So got 2, 3. Got to return one. Oh yeah. Look at this. Oh my gosh. Look at that spalt. Beautiful. Oh my goodness. Got my bow ties drawn out. This thing's drying. Got my wall nut. Now we'll go on to what I've done. Let's see. Light switch. My pin stuff for lathes. That's cool. And look at this bad boy. This one's over here. Get a turning stuff. Let's see. Sure.